Hello friends, this is Hatim Rampurwala and in this video we would be discussing the case study based on the concept of Kaizen costing. So we'll quickly go through the case study. M India Limited, that is MIL, is an automobile manufacturer in India and a subsidiary of the Japanese automobile and motorcycle manufacturer Leon. See, it is an automobile manufacturer in India and a subsidiary of a Japanese automobile and motorcycle manufacturer Leon. It manufactures and sell the complete range of cars from the entry level to the hatchback to sedan and has a present market share of 22% of the Indian passenger car market. Okay, MIL uses the standard system of the standard costing to set its budget. So it is currently using standard costing system. Budgets are being set semi-annually by the finance department. So budget are being set semi-annually by the finance department after approval of the board of director of the MIL. The finance department prepare the variance report each month for the review in the board of director, where the actual performance is compared with the budgeted. Mr. Suzuki Group CEO of the Leon, which is the holding company, is of the opinion that the Kaizen costing method should be implemented as a system of the planning and control in the MIL. Required key changes vital in the MIL planning and the control system to support the adoption of the Kaizen. So basically the currently system what they are following is that is uh, in fourth line there is MIL uses the system of the standard cost to set its budget. So in for adoption of the Kaizen they have to shift to the from cost standard cost control. See what the word have been used is standard cost control to cost reduction. They have to shift. That is the suggestive changes which are required by the Kaizen costing concept in MIL are as follows. That is shifting from standard cost control system to the cost reduction control. First we'll see what is Kaizen costing. The first three lines, that is Kaizen costing emphasis on the small but continuous improvement. The target once set by at the beginning of the year or activities are once the target has been set at the beginning of the year, the activities has been continuously updated to reflect the improvement that has already been achieved and are yet to be achieved. So they see it focuses on the continuous improvement and setting the target at the beginning and then analyzing how much has been achieved and how much target is yet to be achieved. So what all changes we are required to see? First was the standard costing system to cost reduction. Second, the budget are prepared semi-annually by the finance department. So this has to be reduced semi-annually to monthly because there should be a reduction in time of standard cost setting and reporting as well for analyzing the variations and the variance and then taking the corrective actions. So there should be a reduce in time shorter period. So from semi-annually they have to shift to monthly and the reporting, the finance department prepares the variance report every month for the review in the board of director meeting. So this also time period has to be reduced from month to weeks. So this is the suggestion for a reduction in the time of setting the budgets and variance report from semi-annually to monthly and each month to weekly. And the third changes which they are required is the participation of the executive. See over here as they are given, finance department prepare finance department after the approval of the board of director at the ML. So this decision are being sanctioned after the approval of the board of director directly, and there isn't any participation of the employee workforce. So that should also be implemented. That is the third paragraph. Participation of the executive workers in standard setting under the Kaizen costing system. Participation of the worker and executive who are actually involved in the manufacturing process are highly appreciated while setting the standard. So the executive workers, ground level workers and executive who are actually involved in the standard setting should be highly appreciated, should be involved in the manufacturing process, who are involved in the manufacturing are highly appreciated in the standard setting, so that the current system of setting the budgets and standards by the finance department with the mere consent of the board of director required. So the current system of standard setting and standard by the finance department with the mere consent of board of director required to be changed.